Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. The Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Seven of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Bottom card natin, Temperance. So, may nagja-juggling na naman dito. Ayan, undecided. Choosing between two persons. Or maaaring itong taong to na you are thinking about. Nagja-juggling siya between you and another person. So, hindi pa siya sigurado kung sino yung pipiliin niya sa ngayon. Kaya umiwas siya. Kasi naguguluhan pa siya, hindi pa siya sigurado. So, tingnan natin. Kaya maaari itong taon to, sinabi niya sa'yo na gusto ka niya, pero nagulat ka, bigla siyang umiwas. Kasi confused siya. Meron pa kasing isang tao na pinagpipilian niya between you and another person. Kaya nag-decide siya umiwas muna para makapag-juggling or mamili ng maayos. So we have here creative writing by Archangel Gabriel. Make time to write down your thoughts in a journal or pen an article or book. So yung mga thoughts in mind mo, yan na, wag mong kakalimutan. Isulat mo lagi yan sa iyong journal para if ever kailanganin mo, madali mo makikita or mahahanap yung mga thoughts and ideas na yung maaari magamit mo yan sa iyong future or sa mga future plans mo. Tingnan natin signs and symbol cards. So, may strong energy tayo dito ng Sagittarius. So, maring itong Sagittarius na ito ang nagja-juggling kasi hindi siya sigurado kung sino ba yung pipiliin niya. Or this person is still exploring some other options. Kaya siya umiwas sa'yo. Magnifying glass and broom. So, ayan o. Nag-explore pa nga siya. Playing cards. So, hindi pa siya tapos maglaro eh. Healing crystals is still healing from the past or mga past childhood experiences na tinatago niya. Ayan, ang lakas ng Sagittarius dito. Snail card bottom. Kasi mukhang okay naman kayo nitong taong to tapos bigla siyang nagbago bigla. Kasi yun nga kasi, siya confused. Hindi pa siya sigurado kung sino ba talaga. Kung ano ba talagang gusto niya sa buhay or sino ba yung taong gusto niya. Nako-confuse siya. Please accept my cup of love. Offering na naman to. I hate my pride and ego. So, ayan. Isa sa mga problem nitong taong to. Patiently waiting pero naghihintay ka ng sagot niya. You're my twin flame. For some of you, I want you back. I'm isolating myself to reflect. You're my wish come true. So, ito yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Kaya siya umiwas din. Nag-isolate siya to reflect kung ano ba talaga yung the best decision. Sorry, I'm wasted and giving up. Pero nag-i-stalk pa rin siya sa'yo. Hiding. Ayan. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I wish I had treated you better. We need to let each other go. So, siguro ito muna talaga yung kailangan. Mag-let go muna to realize everything. I don't react when people mention you. You speak to me through music. I remember every detail of that day. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. And it's time for me to heal now. So, both kayo, kailangan nyo munang mag-heal from this connection or from the past experiences. Finding out the truth crushed me. So, tingnan natin sa initials. U, J, and G. Jog. F, letter M, X, PW, and letter S, T. We have destiny, courage, so maaaring nag-iipon pa siya ng lakas ng loob, and acceptance. So, it's up to you kung tatanggapin mo pa itong taong ito kasi parang sinasabi niya na willing ka pa ba tanggapin siya. And tingnan natin, general signs and messages. Kasi after ng ginawa niya ng pag-iwas sa'yo, dahil ako confused siya between you and another person. City, ex-lover, travel, Scorpio, future lover, very serious, animal lover, April, runner card, cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, caring, trustworthy, Mindanao, Leo sign, Capricorn, twin flame, popular, high expectations, food lover, Gemini, North PH, May, selfie-holic, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and intelligent. So yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.